Well, hello there, I'm Chris from TechSpert, and today we're going to be checking out the fresh new Boox Note Air 3C. This 10-inch e-ink Android tablet boasts a sleek and slender aluminium body. You've got a crisp Kindle-style display, except it can pump out full colour images. And loads of great features whether you want to stay productive on the go, or just say bollocks to work and kick back with a few graphic novels. And it'll cost you $499 US or 549 euros when you order direct from the Boox website. So let's whip out the Note Air 3C, take you on a full-on tour of all of the features, test out the battery life, all that good stuff. And for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! So first up, what do you get packed inside of that box? Well, it's not too shocking to discover a Note Air 3C. You got yourself a Boox Stylus and a bit of USB cable action, but no power adapter. You will have to provide one of those yourself. And that's everything. So now I'm going to set up the Boox Note Air 3C and give it a thorough going over. Alright, so the Boox Note Air 3C all set up, and I've been using it extensively for about 24 hours now. And the first thing I gotta say is, like all of these Boox jobbies that I get in for review, it's one of the more attractive tablets out there. It's once again a supremely slender slab of aluminium. It's just 5.8 millimeters thick, and it weighs just 430 grams as well, so it's slimmer and lighter than pretty much any other tablet out there. Despite its size, the Boox Note Air 3C is comfortable to clutch for a prolonged period. That's certainly helped along by the big, thick bezel running down one edge. And no worries if you're left or right-handed, because of course that display does rotate. And while the majority of this Boox tablet is a sort of austere, dark grey colour, it is livened up by these wee pricks of orange scattered about on the back, on the edges. I really love how that charging port is highlighted as well. So yeah, certainly more attractive than a Kindle. Now when you want to unlock your Note Air 3C tablet, just tap your digit to the edge-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's built into that power button. As you can see, you're whisked straight into your desktops. And so far I haven't had any trouble from this whatsoever, as long as your finger isn't damp or anything. As for the software, well, if you hadn't actually been told, there's no way you'd probably guess that this is Android, because it looks nothing like Google's mobile OS. In fact, the first hint that it's actually Google is basically when you get to the apps section and notice the Play Store there. Of course, Boox devices are normally a wee bit behind when it comes to the actual version of Android that they're running, and the Note Air 3C is no exception. So while Google has just launched Android 14, the Air 3C is running Android 12. However, Onyx is at least promising over 3 years of firmware updates for this tablet, and the security patch is pretty up to date as well. It's still a September 2023 one, so hopefully that'll be regularly updated as well. Now, if you've used a Boox tablet in the past, you'll be right at home here. It's basically the same UI, just with a few little tweaks here and there. So right at the top, you've got your library, all of the documents, books, etc. you've got downloaded. This is neatly laid out by default in a grid style fashion with all of the covers there. Looks very slick. And then step down when you've got the Boox Store. This is great if you like all of those old school bangers from several centuries ago. And yeah, the Kindle Store, it sure ain't, but if you're feeling a bit broke, you just want to stock up on some out of copyright titles, well, job done. You've also got fast access to your notes and files, and then if we tap apps, this is everything you've got installed. You've got a few Onyx bits on here by default, the likes of Boox Drop, which allows you to quickly sync up files with your cloud storage, more on that in a bit. Got the likes of a calculator app, a calendar, picture gallery, and then anything else that you're missing you can download direct from the Play Store. And this operates exactly as it does on an Android smartphone. Basically, just sign in with your Google account and then you're straight in. So you can download games, you can download all the usual popular apps, and you've got full access to that Play Store book catalogue. It's slightly better stocked than that Boox Store. And one of the best things about these Boox tablets is that they just support pretty much any file format out there straight out of the box. PDFs, EPUBs, CBZs as well if you're into your comics and graphic novels. No need to download any extra apps, just give them a tap and you're straight in. And if you are an Amazon fan as well, the Kindle app works perfectly here on the Air 3C. And once again, once you're signed into that Kindle app, you can download anything from your library. Whoa. And it'll make dingy little noises. You can get stuck straight in. If you're a fan of dark crime fiction, may I recommend this wee author here, Chris Barraclough, rather bloody good. Oh look, this one's free. Maybe you could download that, try it out, and then buy all the others. Oh, and by the way, Android works much the same here on the Boox Note Air 3C as it does on smartphones, so just swipe up from the bottom in order to get back to that main screen. Now just remember not to go too crazy when you are downloading apps, because sadly this tablet does only have 64 gigs of storage again. As you can see, I've only downloaded a handful of apps and books so far, and I've already used up almost a third of that space. Don't panic if you do run out of space, however, because thankfully, blissfully, Boox has included micro SD memory card support this time. So just slip a card in and you can expand that storage by up to 2 terabytes. And also, Onyx does kindly offer 10 free gigs of cloud storage with every Boox tablet that you purchase. So all you need to do is just sign in with your Onyx account, open up good old Boox Drop, and then you can sync your files with the cloud. Particularly handy if you've got multiple Boox devices and you want to share files between them. Now, one of the highlights here on the Note Air 3C is that 10.3-inch e-ink display, the Kaleido 3 screen as Onyx is describing it. And this produces images at 300 pixels per inch for black and white visuals, 150 pixels per inch if you want full color. And this is certainly sharp enough to enjoy a graphic novel. Even tiny text is perfectly legible, if a teeny bit fuzzy. And this Kaleido 3 screen has a total of 4,096 colors to work with, so quite limited, but certainly does the job. Again, for graphic novels, don't expect bright, vibrant, poppy images, but it certainly helps to bring the page to life. And certainly the shading and the contrast perfectly respectable for an e-ink display. Even when you're reading quite murky, fare can again clearly make out those finer details. It's just nice because it feels like you're reading on paper, especially as this Boox tablet now has thinner glass than previous models. Max out that brightness and it can counter pretty much any glare out there, helped by the fact that you've got a fairly glare resistant surfacing. And that front lighting certainly does the job, so you'll be able to happily enjoy a good bit of reading outdoors on a sunny day. And as usual, you can tinker with the screen's color temperature as well as the brightness. You can filter that blue light for an easier on the eye experience in more ambient conditions. And as always with an e-ink display, yes, there are occasional ghosting issues that flash up, but you've got a handful of different refresh modes that you can set for each individual app. And I have certainly noticed that the ghosting issue has improved with every subsequent Boox tablet that I've reviewed, so it's not really much of an issue anymore. Oh, and when you're reading, you've got loads of different tools that you can conjure up just with a quick tap at the center top of the display. So for instance, you can scribble wee notes and annotations on your books, quite handy if you're a student or something. And this includes all the smart scribe shenanigans, the likes of striking through to erase. You can change up the display settings, you can of course skip through a book to any point. And you've also got a split screen feature as well if you fancy doing a bit of multitasking. This even allows you to split screen with the same document as well, just in case you need to refer to an earlier part of a book or something like that. Of course, the e-ink display with its slightly sluggish refresh speeds means the Boox Note Air 3C really can't be used for watching video, or it can, but just expect every Netflix or YouTube session to turn into a bit of a Lynchian nightmare. You'll certainly notice plenty of ghosting despite the Note Air 3C's best attempts to refresh that display as quickly as possible. And it's obviously the same story for gaming as well. I would certainly limit yourself to more basic games like this wee car tapping affair. Certainly wouldn't recommend trying a game of Call of Duty on the Note Air 3C. And if you want to, you can also play audiobooks and podcasts here on the Note Air 3C. It does actually have built-in speakers, built-in stereo speakers in fact, so let's check them out. In fact, this time last week I had a wonderful day out at King's Cross Station, which Storm Babette had unexpectedly turned into a giant escape room style scenario. So yeah, the Note Air 3C isn't exactly going to blast your face off with its awesome audio prowess. Stereo speakers are rather limited, as you'd expect from a device that's this skinny, but it'll absolutely do the job in a pinch. But you can of course get some headphones hooked up via Bluetooth if you really want to enjoy a podcast or something like that. It's just a shame there's no headphone jack on this thing, unlike most other tablets. As for the Boox Stylus that you get bundled in the box with the Note Air 3C, well, as usual, this is perfect for sketching, annotating, whatever you want to do. You've got the usual note and sketching tools pre-installed here on this Boox tablet. Otherwise, you can, of course, download any that you like from the Play Store if you've got your own personal favorites. As you can quite clearly see, I have absolutely zero artistic or creative ability here. But I do like scribbling on a Boox tablet using the stylus. Just feels really nice. Feels like you are actually scribbling on paper thanks to that tactile surface. And you do actually have handwriting recognition as well. All you need to do is just tap on AI down here. Text recognition. Let's see if it can actually translate my bloody awful scribbles. And the answer is yes. Fair play, Boox. As for the performance, well, it's been absolutely fine here on the Note Air 3C, even though it's quite a basic chipset that is running the show. Of course, you are, as always, limited by the refresh rate of the e-ink display, but you know, that's fairly fast. Again, as long as you're not attempting to play Call of Duty on this thing or anything like that, you should be more than happy enough. And one of the other big benefits of that e-ink display here on the Note Air 3C is of course the fantastic battery life, or at least when you are just reading and doing simple tasks like that. If you're using this tablet to sketch a masterpiece or browse the web, or basically use apps that require a fast refresh, well, you can expect around 5 to 6 hours of battery life from a full charge, which ain't great for a tablet that's 10 inches. But where this tablet really excels is if you're using it to browse documents or read books, even graphic novels, in which case you can expect around 20 hours of battery life per charge. I found it only drained about 5% per hour while I was using it. And that's reading full colour graphic novels with the backlighting maxed out as well. So certainly if you're taking a long trip, you want lots of reading material to keep you entertained, you won't have to worry about charging this thing up. And also good for staying productive on the move, as long as you've got decent Wi-Fi, of course. So there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is the fresh new Onyx Boox Note Air 3C tablet. It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do check out my other tablet reviews and other tech shenanigans here on Techspert. Poke subscribe, ding that notifications bell, all the usual YouTube bollocks. And have yourselves a really wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you.